Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Salik app on your iPhone in step by step. Step 1. Open the Salik app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Salik mobile app on your home screen. Then tap the app icon to open it. Step 2. Welcome screen. Once the app opens, you will see the welcome or login screen. Ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 3. Enter your registered details. Now enter your registered mobile number, email ID or username linked to your Salik account. Then tap next or continue. Step 4. Enter password or OTP. Enter your password in the given field. Alternatively, you may receive a one-time password OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter it to continue. Step 5. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply use Face ID or Touch ID. This allows faster and secure access to your account. Step 6. Tap Login. After entering your details, tap the login button. The app will verify your information within a few seconds. Step 7. Access your Salik account. You are now successfully logged in. From the dashboard, you can check your balance, view trips, recharge your account and manage vehicles. And that's how you log into Salik app on your iPhone. Quick, easy and secure. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.